Let's see how to transfer domain from Wix to Hostinger. From the Hostinger Edge panel, click on Domains. Now from the top, click on Add a new domain. Select Transfer an existing domain. Here we need to add our Wix domain. After that, we are going to click on Transfer from here. Here it is showing us that the requirements not met because our domain is locked at the Wix. So to transfer our Wix domain to Hostinger, at first we need to turn off the lock. Log into your Wix account and after that go to Domains. Now click on this 3 dots button next to your domain and then click on Transfer away from Wix. After that, just click on Transfer Domain and select I still want to transfer. Once you are done, Wix will send you a authorization code on your registered email with your Wix account. Just copy the authorization code from your registered email, go back to Hostinger, add it here, and after that you need to purchase the same domain from Hostinger. So here you will see the purchase button, just click on purchase and in this way your Wix domain will be transferred to Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.